Namaskar and welcome to 10 News Network. Today we are at Ursuline Senior Secondary Convent School, Greater Noida. And Ursuline Convent School has organized Science Confluence, today. And today we met this young scientist of India, ShriHari Dhanushya. Actually, we did not prepare any questionnaire, and we have conducted his interview, and his own principal, Sister Rekha Punyaji, has conducted. You must watch. He is a extraordinary student of class 3, okay, and I am sure he is a young scientist of India. He knows so much about the science, so much about the galaxy, so much about the earth, so much about the space, and at this age and stage he has learned so much. His English communication, so you do watch his interview. We are sharing the clip, and thank you Sister Rekha ji for introducing this young scientist of India, ShriHari Dhanushya.
Yes.
My best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
At this momentous occasion of Ursuline Confluence 2025, as we have 24 schools participating for the inter-school competition that our school is hosting, Science Quest. We are very pleased to introduce one of our youngest budding scientists, or whatever he will be. It's our ShriHari Dhanushya. So Hari, you can introduce yourself. Who are you and in which class are you studying?
My name is ShriHari Dhanushya from class 3rd Q.
Okay. So what is your favorite field of studies?
Science.
Okay. To be specific, is it astronomy?
Astronomy and science.
And science. Okay, good. So we'll first show this child can spot a place on globe, any country or any place in the world within very few seconds. So could you point out where is Nigeria?
Nigeria.
Good. Okay, Somalia?
Somalia is here.
Any place which even ma'am can ask, he will be able to spot it fast.
Nagasaki.
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 Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
That one. Here.
That one.
Here.
Good.
Nagasaki.
Yeah. Then, what about in African continent? Can you spot what are the places? Can you tell the countries in African continent?
Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, South Sudan, Central African Republic, Mauritania, West Sahara, Guyana, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Angola, Zambia, South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique.
Okay, Hari, thank you. And equator passes through which countries?
Equator passes through Somalia, Kenya, Uganda, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Gabon, and Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador.
Okay, good. Then can you mention something? Can you give little detail about the poles?
The poles?
North Pole and South Pole.
North Pole?
Yeah.
North Pole.
No, can you tell the details, like what kind of climate is there on our... Yeah.
In South Pole, in Antarctica, there was recorded the coldest temperature, minus 65 degrees Celsius.
Okay, good. Okay, then could you speak about... What did you say? Or is it orbit cloud? Do you know anything about orbit cloud?
There is a boundary that is a sphere around the solar system other than the Kuiper belt. It is beyond the Kuiper belt. It's called orbit cloud. That's where the comets we see are formed.
Okay, then what do you visualize? Like what idea do you have or details you know about the future of Mother Earth?
In about 1 billion years later, the oceans will dry up because of the sun increasing in size and also getting hotter. In 2 billion years, almost no trace will exist.
Okay, yeah, continue.
Then on 3 billion years, surface life will not exist. on 4 billion years, the only life that will remain are bacteria that can handle extreme heat.
Is there any way to escape that future?
There is a way to escape that future for humans because of the increasing power of technology. It is happened about 4 billion years later. We have that much time to prepare the technology and find a new planet.
Okay, find a new planet. But suppose Mother Earth itself we wish to save.
To save Mother Earth, we have to get the technology to stop the sun's heat and its increasing size and its solar flares that burst out of the sun, and its magnetic field that sends waves of energy like a dome that is strong enough to hold all of these conditions and also make rain and the life cycle that happens today happen.
Otherwise, this migration to other planets, it will happen naturally, or we will have to work it out?
It will not happen naturally. We have to work out which planet we have to go. There are many planets, over about 2 million planets that have life in our Milky Way galaxy alone.
Okay. Is there a possibility of aliens already existing on different planets?
We have not discovered aliens, but there is a possibility of some alien-like creatures existing because there are many planets with life that we have not explored.
Okay.
We have only explored the planets that are in the solar system, but we have seen other planets that may have the conditions of life. But we don't know if it is a land planet that is fully made out of land or an ocean planet or both.
Good, Hari. And can you give a short message like what could we be careful about in the coming years? You are a very young generation of coming up. So what do you feel? How could we go ahead?
We could go ahead by changing carbon dioxide fuel from coal to electricity power from water, wind, and also geometrical heat from the Earth's core and from the sun. By using solar panels, electric dams, then windmills.
And how does AI help in this evolution? How can AI be used to our advantage?
AI can be used to our advantage because we are producing about a lot of carbon dioxide possible. Even if we plant many trees and we still do not stop the carbon dioxide emissions, there will be more carbon dioxide when the trees will grow up.
Okay. So how AI can help?
AI can help by telling us new ideas how to get energy from natural ways. And also AI can be used to create cars that will self-drive and will not create emissions.
Okay, good. So what do you feel, future of human beings and all the species is better or dark or dismal? I mean, what do you feel like a future of, how do you as a young person see future of your own future is bright or dark? And what makes it if it is bright? Think.
That I don't know.
That he doesn't know. Okay, good. And you were speaking something about Himalayas, what is happening, the tectonic plates.
Well, before, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Madagascar were all connected to Africa. By then, Madagascar was joined to India, but India separated from Africa. Madagascar tectonic plate was too slow, so it left India's tectonic plate, and India kept moving through the Indian Ocean and until it crashed into the Asian tectonic plate, which created the youngest range, Himalayas. It is still growing today by 1 inch every year.
Thank you, Harry. Wish you the very best.
Of knowledge, about the science, the earth, the satellite, the space, and the ocean, and the countries. Please tell me.
I learned these stories from cartoons such as Octonauts, Wild Crafts that learn about biology and ocean. And I also got the Space Intelligence from Solar Balls, a cartoon that teaches about space and the Big Bang history.
Oh, wonderful. Acha, any particular books you would like to suggest, the class 3 students to read?
There is a notebook called How the Universe Began. I bought it from Kerala and it has this history of the universe.
Okay. Acha, who is your, favorite teacher? Can you tell me? No. Okay. Acha, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Science.
And
So, but within the science, what you like the most to study? Any particular? Like earth, you like more to study, yeah, ocean you like to study?
more like everything.
Huh?
Everything.
Everything. Oh, wonderful. So definitely, I think, please note my words. He is going to be, I think, in a big figure, in the whole of the world, in the science stream. So he is a really, I label him as a young scientist of India. And again, once again, thank you, Sister Rekha ji, for giving us an opportunity to connect with this, young scientist of India. ShriHari Dhanush.
Thank you.
Thank you.